Hello watchers, it's Wednesday, June 4th, 2014, and I think my hands are shaking a little bit now. Just at Taco Bell. Anyway, here is well, here's a lot of cranes and bridge piers. Down below is a spur track for the Union Pacific Railroad for when they bring coal trains in. Over there is behind the trees is the yard where they park empty and full coal cars. Actually, the yard extends between the piers here. Over there is the wastewater treatment plant. But as you can see, there are piers going all the way over to the Wisconsin side. It is 7:27 p.m. so I'm here way past all the construction guys going home. Please check my other videos, as I'm taking several of them today, and I take new videos now and then when I have time of the bridge progress. Thanks for watching. Bye.